In this video, we'll discuss the first fungal disease, that is dermatophytosis. Before entering into the details of the disease, it is very important for one to understand the terms and meaning of the dermatophytes, ringworm, dermatophytosis, and dermatophilus. So, often these terms were used interchangeably. So, being a professional, one should have a clear-cut understanding with respect to these terms. The first one is dermatophytes. These dermatophytes are not a taxonomic rank. That is nothing but it is not a family or not a genus. Then what it is? These dermatophytes are a group of fungi. This is nothing but a mycological group of fungi which have an ability to infect keratinized tissues of the body. Another name for this fungi is nothing but the keratinophilic fungi, because these group of fungi have affinity towards keratin protein of the body tissues. And in the dermatophytes, a group of fungi which include trichophyton, microsporum, and epidermophyton. This is about the dermatophytes. Now, when it comes to dermatophytosis, this is nothing but the infection which is caused by keratinophilic fungi, or nothing but the dermatophytes, is called as dermatophytosis. Dermatophytosis is the infection which is caused by dermatophytes. Now, many people tend to misunderstand the ringworm. Now, understand, ringworm is a clinical name of dermatophytosis, which means in the dermatophytosis disease, affected animal shows a ringworm-like lesion. Basically, these are circular or ring-like red and scaly patches will be noticed on the skin. So because of this skin lesion, which looks like a circular or ring-like, the name has been given as a ringworm. So this is about ringworm. The one important thing is that this is not a worm itself. So in the next video, we will come to know why the name as the ringworm has been given, why this worm has been added to the word ring. Regarding ring, now you have gotten clarity, because the lesions will look like circular or ring-like. Therefore, it is called as ring. But why it is called as worm, we'll see it in next video. Then the last one is dermatophilus. Dermatophilus is not a fungi. It is a gram-positive bacteria, and it is an actinomycete. So this is about the terms and their meaning one should know before to have a detailed discussion on the dermatophytosis. Thank you.